CanDo is a set of tools built on top of Basecamp, a blog, a knowledge base, bulk actions, Zoom meetings, and more. Things you can't do in Basecamp out of the box. All inside the Basecamp you already know and love. Let me walk you through.
Hey, I'm Jason from IQTHINK. We make CanDo for Basecamp, and today I'd like to show you how you can easily clean up your card tables. Card tables can get cluttered. Your done column becomes a graveyard of finished work. And Basecamp lets you archive those cards, but one at a time. With CanDo, you can archive the whole column in just one click. Let me show you how. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go to our Get CanDo website so you can log in. You're going to need obviously a Basecamp account. So we're going to click on login. We're going to use our IQ Playground, and we're going to find a particular tool called Archive Cards. Now, if we go to this sample card table, we can see that we have 22 cards that are in there. Like I said, they get cluttered. This might be hundreds. With CanDo, all you do is go to Archive Cards, select the project, select the tool, so in this case card table, and we're going to select the column. So let's just say you want to archive everything that isn't done. You have the ability to select one at a time, which might be necessary in your case, or you can select all. Once we do that, here we can see we have 22 in here. We're going to go ahead and click Archive Cards. And we're going to go to that card table now. Those are all archived. You can always find them. If you go in here, you can go to Archive Cards. You can see that they were all archived successfully. So that's how you archive a lot of cards from a card table inside of Basecamp with CanDo. If you want to be able to try this out and some other tools that we have, you can go to Basecamp's website and you can go to integrations. You'll find us right there, or just go to our website at getcando.com. Hopefully this was helpful, and see you in the next one.